I'm Creator, website builder, complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website with imcreator.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, when you're on imcreator.com, you need to click this button, create a new website. Then you need to choose a theme. Theme is like a template of your future website. For example, you're making a photography website, so choose this topic right here, or you can choose another one and click, for example, edit button. For example, I want to work with this template and you need to register to continue. I'll be right soon. So I'm done, and now we are on editor's page. We can edit this website. For example, you want to change these pictures. You can upload your picture from your computer right here. You can work with this gallery, with this gallery section, add items, work with items, with layouts, with effects, with item align. But this section is bad example. We need to create new page right here, add a new page. Let's create, for example, this page, about, yes, let's go, about page. And now I can show you more accurate how to work with elements, for example, this text. All you have to do is just click on this text, click on this element and edit body. You can delete this text and write your own, whatever you want. For example, change sizes, and then you can, for example, add some items, for example, button. Now it appears. You can change item layout, item align, this one settings, not interesting, and you can add a new section right here. You can change, choose project, services, features, gallery, pricing, theme. So as you can see, have many options. You can choose, for example, this one. Live website style, yes please. Upload image, you can upload your own image. Item settings, slideshow here. Section settings, this height and slides. You can add slides. So you can also edit this icon here. Upload your own icon. Work with buttons, edit buttons. Add a new element to items. For example, can put location or maybe title. So also you need to save changes just to not lose your content. Add the site to your account, new name, what. You can also add a new page, as I already showed you. Change current pages, manage them, manage menu, add a pop-up. Here you can see manage pages. You can delete, for example, this about page, or create new one. And when you're done editing your website, you can publish it from here. You need to buy a new domain or connect an existing domain and update temporarily URL right here. So basically update your domain and you'll be able to publish your website. Or if you don't have any domains, you can just select a plan to be able to publish your website. You can choose only basic plan, only $8, not really expensive. So ads free, unlimited storage, blog, mobile responsive site, basic support, and of course you will be able to connect your own domain. So you will get your own domain, and in the end, I wanted to show you how many options this site imcreator.com is providing to you. So if you have really a bunch of ready-made templates, and all of them are really beautiful and really nice, And with any topics, you have about 20 topics here. I will not count them right now. So many topics and so many options in any topics. And guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics. As you can see, the entire interface of this website is very clear to any user, and this site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try to explore it yourself. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon.